Morning, my dear students. Hope you are fine and great. Once again, I am here to teach you math subject. As you know, that is with Ma'am Neelam. Today, I bring the same topic like the yesterday one, but that was starting from 2:121 to 3030, and it is starting from 131 to 4040. Okay. Last record your rough register and hold your ruler and pencil as well are your own choice color. And say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Starting with the great name of Allah. Say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Class, are you ready? Raise your hand if you are ready. Well done. Okay, look at here. How many blocks? I leave 1, 2. I leave 2 blocks. 1, 2. Draw a straight line like this. Draw a straight line after 2 blocks. Okay, class? Draw the line like this. Have you seen this line? How many blocks I leave? 1, 2. Okay, now come at the last of the page. Adanjan, मम्मा को साइड पे रखिए. अच्छा, before 1 block. Okay, draw a line before 1 block. Look at my lines. Draw it straight. Draw a straight line like this. Now look at my page. This is ready for the writing. Now hold your pencil. Show me your pencil. Yes. Come on this portion. Here. S dot N O. S dot N O means serial number. S dot N O means serial number. Write it, Shabash. Don't cross margin line, okay? Writing should be neat and clean. Okay, class? Along with the margin line, write here capital M. Write it capital M. Small a. M A T M A T M A T H S M A T H S maths. Okay, now come on the center of the line. Here in the mid, okay? Write it. C dot W. C dot W mean classwork. Okay, class. C dot W mean classwork. Now come at the last of the line. Fifth May 2021. 5th May 2021. Okay, class. Raise your hand if you write. Class. Can you hear me? Okay, cross these two blocks along with the margin lines. Well done. Cross the next two blocks. It means don't write something here, okay, in this area. Then write here capital C. Capital C, small o. It is not need to be write in separate blocks, okay, class? C O U N T. C O U N T. Count. I-N-G. Counting. C-O-U-N-T. I-N-G. Counting. Today the topic is about counting. Are you getting me? Raise your hand, class. Done? Okay. Cross the next two blocks. Again cross two blocks. Done? Raise your hand. Okay, class, now look at and count with me. How many blocks I crossed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I crossed 8 blocks. Okay, class? Along with these two blocks which I crossed, right here in the third block, T. What is mean of T? Tens. T mean tens. Then write the O. T mean tens, O mean ones. Tens, ones. Raise your hand. Did you write? Today I'm very slowly writing for yourself, okay? Look at class. After T, leave the block. This one, leave it. And then write down 3. Today the topic is about counting and starting from 3, 1, 20, 31. 3. Okay. After O, leave the block. Here, leave the block and then write down 1. 3, 1, 31. Done? Raise your hand if you done. Okay, after 3, leave the block. This one. Don't write here, okay? And write down 3. 3. What is coming after 1? 2. 3, 2, 32. And touch the block up and down, okay? Class, touch the block up and down. Don't write in the middle of the block. 3, 1, 31, 3, 2, 32. In the next block, 3, 3, 33. Three, 3, 33. Done? Okay, after 3, leave the block and write in the second block. Again 3, okay? Touch the block up and down. 3, 4, 34. 3, 4, 34. Okay, class? What comes after 34? 3, 5, 35. What comes after 35? 3 तो अपनी जगह आएगा, लेकिन 5 के नीचे मैं क्या राइट करूं? What comes after 5? 6. 3, 6, 36. Then what comes after 36? 3, 7, 37. 3, 1, 31, 3, 2, 32, 3, 3, 33, 3, 4, 34, 3, 5, 35, 3, 6, 36, 3, 7, 37. We reached to 37. Now how many numbers are left? Just 3. So what comes after 7? 8. 3, 7, 3, 8, 38. Muhammad Arsalan, why are you not writing? Okay. Now move to the next number. What comes after 8? 3, 9, 39. Okay, check it here. I have space? No, I have no space. So go to the next portion. Here, leave the block and then write here T. T mean tens. O mean ones. I make another portion. You have to make another portion, okay? Because you are not having space. Are you getting me? Class, raise your hand. Okay. After T, leave the block and write down 4. 4, 0, 40. 4, 0, 40. Okay, class. Now hold your ruler and your own choice color as well. And put it under the topic. Underline the topic Which topic is going on? Okay, underline them. Then come at the last of the page and draw draw a finishing line here. Now, how is looking my page? Okay. Is this looking nice? If you do like this, so you are one also looking nice. Okay, class? That was today's topic in the rough register. Close it and take out workbook. Take out workbook and open at page number 38. Page number 38. Look at here, class. Take out page number 38. Come on the top of the page. Look at here. Here you should write H dot W. This is your homework. Okay, class. H dot W. Write 31 to 40. Okay, class. H dot W means homework and write date in front of the given date. Which date is going on? 5th May 2021. 5th May 2021. All of you show me. Muhammad. Okay, close your workbook. And this was today's lesson. Take care of yourself and bye-bye.